Now the second power that shook their faith was their power of anger. They became angry. We Muslims were fighting, we're sacrificing, we're working hard to defend Islam, yet the Prophet, he gives those spoils of war to the pagans of Mecca. People who fought us for all these years, people like Abu Sufyan and others. How is that possible? They were extremely agitated. But this was how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was testing them. Now, in honor of this ruling, and because the Ansar objected, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala actually made it a law in the Holy Quran that the spoils of war and the zakat that is given to several categories, such as the poor people, the orphans, the wayfarer, ibn sabil, one of them is al-mu'allafati qulubuhum. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed in the Holy Quran, Ya Rasulullah, some of the charity money that you have to give it to people to reconcile their hearts. People who have enmity towards you, or people who are not friendly with you. Spend money on them, give them, so that you reconcile their hearts with the Muslims, so that they become closer to you. And this is a lesson for us, brothers and sisters. Here in our society, we have to use the blessings that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us to spend on others from other faiths, from other sects, or even people who do not even know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You need to spend on them to show them the generosity of your Lord, to show them the beauty of your faith. Spend in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For example, if you know anyone at work, at school, who does not have a good image of Islam, who's not too friendly with you, go invite him out for dinner. It changes him. Buy him a special gift. Give it to him. وَالْمُؤَلَّفَةِ قُلُوبُهُمْ. Invite them to your gatherings, to your dinners. This is extremely important, because people, when they meet you face to face, they sit with you, they receive a gift from you, they realize you're a good human being. Through such simple acts, you can change their vision and the image that they have about your faith. So Allah instructed the Holy Prophet, Ya Rasulullah, you have to give these peoples of Mecca. Yes, even if it's Abu Sufyan, who fought you for all these years, give them from the spoils of war, so they stop conspiring against you. Even though they did conspire, but at least reduce it, so they don't openly attack you. And this is a lesson for us.